We'll guide you through how to make calendar animation After Effects. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Adobe After Effects on your computer and wait for the program to load completely. After the workspace appears, create a new composition to begin your project. Set the composition settings you need, then confirm to open the new timeline. Next, import a calendar image from your computer into the project panel. After the image has been imported, drag the calendar image into the timeline so it becomes a visible layer in the composition. Once the layer is placed in the timeline, click the calendar layer to make sure it is selected. Press S on the keyboard to open the scale property for the selected layer. This will allow you to change the size of the calendar image. Enable the stopwatch for the scale property to create the first keyframe. After the stopwatch is active, zoom in on the date you want to highlight by increasing the scale value until the selected date becomes larger and easier to see. Make sure the date remains visible inside the composition frame. Next, create a circle shape around the date you want to highlight. Set the fill of the circle to transparent, so only the outline of the circle is visible around the chosen date. Position the circle carefully so it surrounds the date correctly. Then add trim paths to the circle shape layer. This will allow the circle outline to animate as it draws around the date. Open the Trim Paths controls and find the End property. Enable the stopwatch for End and set the value to 0% at the starting position of the playhead. This creates the first keyframe where the circle is not visible. Move the playhead forward on the timeline to the point where you want the drawing animation to finish. Then change the End percentage to 100%. A second keyframe will be created automatically, making the circle draw fully around the date. Preview the animation to check the zoom effect and circle drawing motion. If everything looks correct, save your project file. After saving, add the composition to the render queue. Open the render queue settings if needed, then click Render to export the animation. Your calendar animation is complete and ready to use.